What up, guys? What's going on? Today we are going to be working on the car. I'm going to be doing the transmission seal, half shaft seal, whatever you want to call it. Order from Honda. Got it. So I'm going to take everything apart now. Obviously, took the low board drum. I'm going to knock it out. Take off the tie rod off. I'm gonna break the axle bolt loose, take the half shaft out, then pull it out, and then show you guys after, because this thing is like completely leaking. Well, this is just from the oil pan itself. Like you guys can see, the oil pan is filthy. I gotta take the oil pan out next and silicone it too. But yeah, just working. Just put a TV in here in the garage, so literally just gonna be working. Watching Twitch and just chilling, man. Got the little heater. We good, man. Bro, it's a blessing to have a garage, bro. Literally, for me, and it's cold outside right now. It's probably like 37 degrees, and I'm chilling in here. Alright, guys, so took the half shaft out, everything out. Look at this oil leak, man, from this oil pan. This shit is disgusting. But that's the gasket that I'm replacing. You guys can see. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, I ended up getting the wrong one. I ended up getting the transmission seal for the passenger side. So I had to wait a couple days and then get the one for the driver's side. So I'm going to be replacing this real quick and then putting the car back together. Alright, so I'll put the seal in. I think what I did last time was I put the seal too far in last time. So, I mean, you can't really see it, but I put it just like enough with the lip flush like right there. I think what I did last time, essentially, I pushed it. I think I pushed it way too far in, so the seal wasn't like sealing up with the half shaft. So, but yeah, I'm gonna bolt everything back up, and then we should be good. So half shaft is bolted on. So now what you want to do is grab the axle and, you guys can see, connect it with the half shaft. Then you're gonna come out here, connect everything, low ball joint, tie rod. And then put the axle in. Well, obviously, axles first, and then everything else. But pretty simple, pretty quick. And what you're going to do is just grab your spindle. I don't have the wheel turned right now, so I'm just going to pick it straight up. But you just want to pick it up, put the axle from the back, and give it a little wiggle until you know it's going in. And you're going to pick it up. Just like that. I don't know if you guys see, sorry. Just like that. And the light is. But yeah. It goes in like that. Then you want to put it, the low boy joint in. Just finesse it a little bit. Just like that. And you want to grab the tie rod on. Just like that, ladies and gents. We're done. Now you just bolt everything back up. Let's go. Alright, put the wheel back on. Gave me a little bit of trouble. The tie rod was just spinning, so I just used the gun and spin it quick. And I was able to catch some threads and tighten up. So pretty quick, easy process. I understand now what I did last time wrong, which I didn't realize. So it has like a little lip, and you're supposed to put it like right there. I pushed it all the way in, so it went way too far in. So it wasn't able to like seal correctly. So that was my fault. So hopefully now there's no more issue. I'm going to clean underneath the car right now to make sure everything is good. And then, yeah, I think like next week what I'm going to end up doing is, I couldn't start the car because of this issue, so my friend couldn't come over. He said he's going to come over next week, but I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be in New York City, and then I'm going to come the week after. So, yeah, I'm going to wait the week after to basically try his computer and see the problem. But I'm tightening his car up, and be done. What up, y'all? It's been a minute, as always. After months of trying to diagnose this damn car, find out what the problem is, we finally figured out. The tune on the car was corrupted because it wouldn't start. It just wouldn't start, so I hit up Yo Solo. And then I just sent them over the tune that I saved on that, that I saved from the day I got the car dynoed. he told me to do something on the current tune. That didn't work, so he just basically did his own thing, and he said came out to be that the tune was corrupted. So basically, he had to make like a new map and then put everything on like the new map, send it over. The first one he sent me, the car started up right away, but I didn't have any of my boost settings, so I told him. He sent out a new one with the boost settings. So I turned it on today, revved it or whatever. Everything looks smooth, running. So everything should be good. I can't really do anything too crazy because the car is not on the distributor. I haven't put it back on timing. I don't have a timing gun for that. I'm gonna do that next week. But right now, I have the car up, and I'm gonna be draining the oil and then doing. I'm gonna be setting up the oil pan and the gasket together because I didn't do it before because the car basically has the the gasket with the insert, like metal insert around it. So I thought I didn't need it. People told me I didn't need it either, but some people say they still do it because sometimes it might leak. In my case, which is leaking. So I'm gonna do that today. Put everything back on. I don't know if I'm gonna put the oil back on today because I kind of want that to like dry up and have like no oil touch it. So I might just put the oil back on tomorrow. As you guys seen, I did the seal, the half shaft seal with the transmission seal like 2 weeks ago. And next thing I'm gonna do, which is the last thing, is not today, probably gonna be next week or so. I take off the turbo manifold, take all of that off, and do that. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, so drain the oil, took out the filter. Now basically what we're going to be doing is taking off all the downstar oil pan bolts one by one. And then take this down, drain the rest of it out, clean it with some brake cleaner on the gasket and the oil pan, and then add some silicone. I swear this music in my jeans like denim. One day you're on top and the next she having your baby. Living life like this, I get down, when they took the oil pan out. I'm not gonna completely clean it. It's gonna take me way too long to like dump everything out, and it's gonna take me way too long. So took out mainly like all of it. That's just like a little bit, but it's just gonna keep coming out. But there's no reason for me to completely like drain it. So just clean it off now. But got my brake cleaner there, so I'm gonna just spray some brake cleaner on all of this. Make sure all of that is cleaned up, and then I have some Honda Bond here, which I think should be enough. So it got dried out. It got dried up down here, but I think it should be good enough here. And then we have the. And we have the block, the bottom of the motor. Thing looks literally brand new. So clean. You guys can see, look at that. Look at that. That thing is so clean. The filter is not even like there's no dirtiness in the filter, no clog, no nothing. Love it. Love it. Alright guys, so I just finished the car. Then everything I need to do, I put some gasket on top of the put some Honda Bond on top of the gasket also, so that I could seal. I mean, I don't really see myself taking off the gasket. And I basically, tighten it up. I was gonna put oil in it, but I'm not gonna put oil in it. I'm just gonna basically let it sit there till tomorrow or maybe the day after. Let it really dry up, and then put the oil in, start it up again, and then show you guys when the car started up, and all that jizz. So yeah, I'm just happy that the car is starting. This car is so dirty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how this car is like. This thing hasn't been washed in like 5 months, 6 months probably. But yeah, I had to buy a laptop, regular small little laptop, so I could mess with the tune and stuff like that. So I needed it anyway, so good thing I bought it. I went to Advance Auto yesterday. I bought a used battery actually from Advance Auto. It was like somebody bought it like 2 months ago and then they returned it. And they tested it and everything is good. So $40 for a brand new battery. I was like, you know what, I'll take it, whatever. because I need a battery for this car. Anyways, if it doesn't work, I could just return it and buy a brand new one. But the battery is like literally brand new. But yeah, so see you guys when I pick up the camera again. Alright guys, so I did. So next day already, I let the silicone. Well, it's 2 days later. I let the silicone dry for a day. I put gas in I put oil in yesterday, and I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you guys that the car actually turns on now. So here we go. I don't got that much gas, but it'll start. What up, guys? It's been a minute, right? It's been like over a month, but finally got the car back. Gonna do like a little quick. I haven't washed the car in a long time, but I'm gonna do like a quick wash to it. I'll do like a real thorough wash another day. I mean, I kind of clean the engine bay already. It just needs to be washed. So it's nothing too crazy. But the situation with the car finally got figured out. Finally got fixed. Yeah, ended up just being the tune. The tune got corrupted, so he sent me over a new one. I drove it about 5 times already, and everything's been good. I just have to put the distributor on timing, so that I can actually like do pulls and stuff like that, because I don't want to be doing pulls with the car not being on timing. But other than that, everything is fine. So I'm gonna pull out the car now. I'm gonna wash it with my little one right here. My not so little one anymore. I'm gonna go to a car wash. I mean, we're gonna go to I'm gonna take it to a little this little open house they got over here for cars and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take it to our first one, and then yeah, we should be good. So put the camera to charge and pick it up when we're ready to go. We're gonna try to start the car, okay? We're gonna start the car. You ready?
Okay.
Come. Hey. You ready? Yeah. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna start the car.
I'll close the door.
No, we gotta start the car. Ready? Ready? Alright, just like that, we're headed to the event. You ready, Shy Shy? You ready? It's good? She's loving the car show. She says so many cars. Alright guys, so I just wanted to close the video. I didn't really get much like footage yesterday, but yeah, just went to that little event, spent some time with my daughter there. It was the first time, and she enjoyed it. So just chilling at home right now, watching this damn Knicks game, man. Fucking lost, man. This shit is tragic, dude. This shit is tragic, bro. But it is what it is, man. Whole fucking Knicks team, man. Injuries, but yeah, that's what I've really been doing to the backyard, guys. You know, got a canopy here, another one here. Got the grill. I built that playground house for my kids with the ground. I did the ground with the rubber mulch, the bricks around it. I added like 90 bags of dirt over there that I had to fucking buy and transport over here. But level it out. There's some more work back there. Added dirt back there. Put the trampoline up. Put the pool up. And putting in work, man, in the backyard and in the house in general, you know. So it's really why I've been busy, just working and stuff, working on the house. And the car's been down, so they didn't really want to like do much with the car or whatever. But yeah, the last thing I need to do now, well, the two things I gotta do is put the car back, put the distributor back on timing on the Civic, which is right here, and I gotta do the turbo manifold gasket, which I have the gasket there, which I'm gonna probably do soon, because I definitely need to do that. And that's about it. I want to take this car to go get a cut and polish, but it might just need to be buffed, because like I said, the paint is like good, just has little minor imperfections. So yeah, then I was checking to see if it was leaking. I still see a little bit of oil on here. Not sure exactly where it's coming from. It might be coming from the oil sandwich place, so I'm gonna see next time when I end up doing an oil change. I just put oil in it, so I'm not gonna dump out the oil to check. But when I do the oil change next time, I'm gonna take out the filter and see if I could tighten the sandwich plate. Maybe the sandwich plate is a little bit loose, so it's leaking oil from underneath. I'm not sure, but overall, car is good. And yeah, if you know, if I don't end up buffing or whatever the car this summer, I'll definitely do it. In the winter time, I was supposed to do it in the winter time this time, but with the whole car giving me all these issues and the computer and all that stuff, I didn't have any time to do it. And I didn't want to like take myself out from like trying to figure out the main issue. So I just wanted to, you know, get that main situation, you know, done with. Damn, man, we lost. Fucking sucks. But yeah, so I just want to close out the video, guys. Yeah, I'm about to hop on Call of Duty, play. We also had my daughter's birthday here last week. My wife did all these balloons and a whole bunch of stuff, so yeah, man, about to hop on Call of Duty for the rest of the night. Yeah, man, appreciate you guys watching. It's beautiful outside. It's beautiful out here. Alright, man, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.